Good morning, class. Today we are going to learn surface area, volume, cubes, cuboid. So, welcome students. Today we embark on an exciting journey into the world of three-dimensional shapes. You can see this picture. We'll explore the fascinating concept on surface area and volume, especially focusing on cubes and cuboids. Get ready to unlock the secrets behind these common shapes and understand how to measure their outer covering and space they occupy. Then see, let me start from introduction, understanding 3D shape. Three-dimensional means 3D shapes are all around us, from the books we read to the building we live in, unlike the flat 2D shapes that only have length and width. 3D shapes also have height, allowing them to occupy space. Understanding these shapes is crucial for various real-world applications, from packaging design to architectural planning. Then see what is 3D shape, students. So let me see what is 3D shapes. Objects that have length, width and height occupying space in the world around us. Then next, what are they important? Yes, students, for understanding the physical world and are found fundamental in field like energy, engineering and design. Next, key concepts will focus on surface area, the outer covering and volume, the space inside. Now see, you can see this picture. Which picture is this? Which shape is this? You can see which shape is this. So this is cuboid. Yes, cube. Exploring the cube. Now let me see some special features about cube. It have vertices, edges and faces. A cube is a special type of cuboid where all its sides are equal in length. Think of a dice. Yes, you played that Ludo game and subsidy. Yes, for playing what we used. Yes, dice. Yes, so dice is also a cube shape. Yes, so these are perfect example. Every cube has distinct features that helps us identify and analyze it. Let's break down its components. Let me see components of cubes. So first one is vertices. These are the corners of the cube where edges meet. Yes, when two edges meet on the particular point or particular corner is called vertices. A cube has 8 vertices, each a sharp point. So students, we have to understand, we have to learn and we have to know how many vertices to cube. So there are 8 vertices to cube. This type of question can come in fill in the blanks. Okay, so remember. Now next is edges. These are the straight lines that connect the vertices. See, now just we see vertices. So straight lines that directly join to the vertices. A cube has 12 edges, all of equal length. Yes, the cube have 8 vertices and 12 edges. So what do you mean by edges? And the 12 edges are in equal length. Yes, then let we see faces. These are the flat surfaces of the area. A cube has 6 faces, each of which a perfect square. All faces are identical in size and shape. Next, surface area of cube formula and example. So let we see, cube is the total area of all its faces. Since a cube has 6 identical squares faces, calculating its surface area is straightforward. Imagine you want to paint the entire outer surface of the cube-shaped box. The amount of paint needed would depend on its surface area. So formula, let me see formula of surface area. So if it is the length of one side edge of the cube, then surface area, see this is a formula, 6 into A2. This means you find the area of one square face A times or A2 and multiply by 6, as they are the 6 such faces. See examples. Let's say a cube has one edge length for 5 centimeter, area of one face, then total surface of area. So the total area of the cube is 150 square centimeters. Now see volume of cube and formulas and some examples. The volume of cube represent the amount of space in occupied. This is how much water a cube shaped tank can hold, or how many small identical books can fit inside a larger cube. Volume is measured in cuboid units such as cuboid centimeters or cubic meters. Formula for volume of cube: if it is length of one side edge of the cube, then volume A is equal to A3. The formula signifies multiplying the length of width and height of cube, which are all equal. So example, consider a cube with the edge length of 4 meters. So volume is C 4 meter. Therefore, the volume of the cube is 64 cuboid meters. This means it can hold equivalent of 60 unit cubes of 1 meter side length each. Now see next, exploring the cuboid vertices. and edges known as rectangular prism is 3D shape with 6 rectangular faces. Unlike a cube, the length of its side length, width and height can be different. Everyday example include bricks, matchbox and shoe boxes. Let's look its components. Similar to a cube, vertices. Just like a cube, a cuboid has 8 vertices, which are the corners where edges meet. Cube have vertices and cuboid is also having vertices. Cube have 8 vertices and cuboid have also 8 vertices. Now edges, a cuboid has same also 12 edges, but unlike a cube, these edges are not necessarily all of equal length. See, there is a difference between cube and cuboid. Cube is having edges and cuboid is also having edges, but cube's edges all are the equal length, but in cuboid there is not necessary to all edges are equal or equal length. There are usually 3 sets of for equal edges: length, width and height. Now see faces. A cuboid has 6 faces of all which are rectangle opposite faces and identical in size and shape. Now see surface area of cuboid formula. Cuboid is the sum of areas of all its 6 rectangular faces. Since a cuboid has 3 pairs of identical faces, top and bottom, front and back, left and right side. Its formula incorporates these dimensions. This is used for calculating the material needed to wrap a gift or a cover box. Formula for surface area of cuboid. Surface area is equal to 2 into length of width, length of height, length of width plus length of height plus length of width and height. This formula accounts for the area of each pair of opposite faces. Now examples: a cuboid has length of 8 cm, width of 3 cm and height of 5 cm. So let me see, length of width is 8 cm, length of height is 8 cm and width and height is 15 centimeters. So total surface area is equal to 2 in bracket. First of all we have to take length of width, right? So 24 plus 50 plus 15 is equal to 2 into 79. So answer is 158 centimeter. So the total surface area of cuboid is 158 square centimeters. Now see another formula and another example. The volume of cuboid, amount of shape it is occupies or capacity it holds, it's calculated by multiplying 3-dimensional lengths, width and height. This concept of is vital in determining how much liquid a rectangular tank can hold or many items can be packed into a box. Formula for volume: volume is equal to length into width into height. This simple multiplication provide the total space enclosed by cuboid. Now let me see example. Consider a cuboid with length of 10 meters, a width of 4 meters and a height of 2 meters. So let me solve. Volume is equal to 10 into 4 into 2 and 2, right? Thus, the volume of cuboid is 80 cuboid meters. This multiplies the cuboid can contain 80 units cubes of 1 meter side of length each. Now, let we see some practice question, or let's test our knowledge. So question 1, find the surface area. Now note down students, these are the practice questions. Find the surface area of volume of a cube with a side length of 7 centimeter. Now question 2, a cuboid has a length 12 meter, width of 5 meter and height of 6 meter. Calculate its surface area and volume with the help of formulas. Now question 3, if the volume of cube is 216 cubic centimeter, what is the length of its side? And last question, a rectangular water tank is 3 meter long and 2 meter wide and 1.5 meter deep. How much water can it hold in cubic meters? So note down everyone. Now see, quick recap. It is the it is time to check your answers and reinforce what you learned. Review the solutions will help understand you areas where you might have faced challenges. A quick recap consolidate the key formulas and concept covered today. So first answer is 343 centimeter. Then second answer is 360 meter. Question number 3, side length. Then question number 4 and last question number 5. So understood everyone this lesson? Thank you so much everyone.